This tutorial guides you through identifying and processing a vehicle part using the 17-digit VIN or chassis number. You will learn how to decode a VIN, scan a part, and manage its inventory status. Click YardScan to open the vehicle part scanning interface within GridX Connect. Click Enter 17-character VIN to begin inputting the vehicle identification number. Click Decode VIN to process the entered VIN and retrieve vehicle details. Click a part from the selection, or specify the part you want to identify. Select the condition of the part, new or used. Click Identify Part to start analyzing the selected vehicle part. Monitor the ongoing part identification. Select the appropriate variant from the provided list of options. Part scanned, added to queue for review. Click View Queue to access the list of scanned parts awaiting review. Click here to select the relevant item from the review queue. Click here to open detailed information about the selected queue item. Please enter the selling price in USD to indicate the quantity related to the part. Click Save Changes to apply the updated quantity information. Click Inject to Inventory to add the scanned part into the inventory system. You have successfully identified and processed a vehicle part using YardScan, including decoding the VIN, scanning the part, and managing its inventory status. Next, you can review additional parts or update inventory details as needed.